If you want to receive live broadcast notifications on X, formerly Twitter, this quick guide will show you exactly where to go in your settings, so you never miss a live stream again. This is especially useful if you follow creators, brands, news accounts, or anyone who goes live often. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tutorials like this. First, open the X app or go to x.com and make sure you're signed into your account. Once you're on the main screen, look for your profile menu and click Settings and Privacy. This is where X keeps all of your account and notification controls. Next, click Notifications. This section lets you manage what alerts you receive from X, including activity, mentions, and push alerts to your device. After that, click Preferences. This is where you can fine-tune the kinds of notifications X sends you. Now find and click Push Notifications. This is the area that controls alerts that appear directly on your phone or device. If push notifications are turned off, you may not receive live broadcast alerts properly, so it's important to check this section carefully. Once you're inside push notifications, look for the option labeled Other Live Broadcasts. Toggle this on. This setting tells X to send you notifications when accounts you follow or interact with go live, so you can get alerted in real time. After turning it on, you're all set. From now on, your X account should be able to notify you about live broadcasts, so you can jump in as soon as a stream starts. If you ever want to stop getting these alerts, just come back to the same menu and toggle the setting off. If this tutorial was helpful, please give it a like and subscribe for more simple step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.